Good to have you all with us today. Excellent. We'll quickly set up the recording. We'll make a recording so after the session, you can always catch up and review some of the points that we discuss. Introducing, of course, the Day Trader's Guide to Scalping with the one and only Zoltan Hideg. Zoltan's joining us from over in Hungary. And he'll be taking us through some of the unraveling some of that mystery behind how a day trader looks at scalping, swing trading, breakout trading. So before we get started, we've got to cover some of the housekeeping. Please carefully read our risk disclaimer. So keep in mind, any advice in tonight's session is of a general nature only. Your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Carefully read. Now, for those of you who know us, welcome. It's good to have you join us again. And for those of you who are new, a little introduction. We're Admirals, here to help. We're a local broker based in Sydney. We've been in the brokerage industry for over 20 years now. We are licensed and regulated here in Australia, as well as all around different regulations in the world. You'll have access to excellent trading conditions, highly competitive spreads, and also reliable executions, not to mention fund security. You'll be able to deal with a dedicated account manager. Would love to see you. And of course, if you're keen to try out the trading for yourself, you can set up the MT4 or MT5 demo trading accounts. Go from your phone, go from your desktop or your browser. There's a lot of choice there, guys. Now, a summary of what we're going to cover today, more or less, as the name suggests, a day trader's guide to scalping. So how Zoltan might look at things like multi-timeframe analysis, how he might look at market fundamentals, and as well technical analysis techniques for scalping, breakouts, and other forms of day trading. Now, we encourage all questions, so please don't hesitate to ask. You can also request specific charts if you'd like. More or less, the idea is to grow your understanding. And of course, if you're developing your own strategy, would love to hear about it. Join us in the chat box here. And of course, if you've got questions, we encourage that you ask them in the Zoom Q&A box, just to make sure Zoltan doesn't miss them. All righty. So Zoltan, I think I'll hand it over to you now. Everyone's probably tired of hearing of me.
Yeah, I am here, so we can start.
All right. Thank you.
I would like to ask you if everything is okay with my screen. Can you see it? Can you hear me? Just leave me a short chat window and we can start. So, all right. Today and yesterday, I have had some trades. First of all, I will manage these trades. The most important thing is to set the stop loss to the top of the screen, and I will make partial closing because I would like to be in a safe situation. Now, webinar is about teaching, about education of how to trade. So I will try to explain what are the reasons of my trades. And yesterday I have had some other positions, and I will close some part of the positions before starting the webinar, because this used to be always live trading webinar. That's why I do it now. But now I start with some theory, some theoretical things about trading. Let's delete everything from the screen. And I will try to explain how it is, how to start trading, how to start day trading, how to start multi-timeframe analysis, and all the things John mentioned before I started. So first of all, for example, we try to analyze Dow Jones, and I try to explain you how to trade Dow Jones from this chart. The most important thing, you have to learn how to draw horizontal trend lines to the tops, to the bottoms of the candlesticks, to the local minimum of the screen, and all. important thing that this is called ranging. Here the chart is doing nothing. You have some problems with. I try to make it better. So everything is okay. Now we are using M1 charts. So this is a 1 minute chart. Okay. So this was a ranging period. And after ranging, we could see a breakout, which means that the price has left this range. So everything has a problem. So everybody has problems with the audio, or only one guy who wrote to me. Just please let me know, because now I think that everything is okay.